This we are the talk show. Do Ethiopia Ethiopia. Iye to nuwa. Edoni risi kenorowa. Ina do tuwa ya fe meno wiwa ge ambassador. No na ye fe ibe na your ambassador bi ni culture wan gbe. Ina do gun awe tele na. No kan ulame. E no kan ulame na yo oju lame. Unda we me tradition talk egun kan. Egun kan ni egun kan ni ma gun domestic violence in Europe, in Nigeria or Italy. So ike gun kan mi ni ike wa la na so right time wa we ala we na so ike sun na wa ya yi won na egbe as the ambassador of Uyodo talk show na la jan we na yan gun kan mi ni e no kan ulame keni yima we Italy na gbina misbehave unda we unde emi no sunwo ewo yan gun kan ya la jabi ana ogwe wa re mi ni onyo. So as an ambassador of Uyodo talk show, and I want to waga, please do share them. So waka you wanna egbe ike gun kan me ni agun kan. So waka you wanna egbe ne unda we mi ni agun kan be odo level. Ni mala question no si egbe ma ya. So thank you my Uyodo talk show. So please do share. So please do share. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, friends, and everybody here. This is me, ambassador of Uyodo talk show. I want to deal on the issue of oath taking. I want to kick against violence in Europe, in Italy, blood courtesy, confraternalism. What am I talking about? Hello, good evening, Sylvia. Good morning, Sylvia. Good morning, Endurance. Ilokian. Good morning, Nancy Paul. Please, you are all welcome. Please do share. I want you all to hear this music. Good morning, Destiny, DJ Bobo. Good morning, Karawat. Please, your contribution. Good morning, Olaye Piomo. Please, you all do share and enjoy this music before I commence on the program. This is a program you people are going to enjoy. I'm really dealing on the culture, tradition, and what people are doing, putting Nigeria to disgrace in European life. Think about what our people are doing in Italy. So it's very bad. So let's hear this music just for 5 minutes, then I deliberate on the issue. Thank you all. I remain the ambassador of Uyodo talk show, a man who came out to enlighten you on education, tradition, and custom, which is very, very important. So please, I love you all. Keep on the show. I love you all. Please do share. Please, let's enjoy the music. Oh. Please do share. Please share. I just want to see a lot of people before I commence on the program. I know a lot of people are going to work this morning. This was opportune to be out this morning. I'm after duties. So please, I want you all to please share before I should talk on this issue. It's what is going to benefit you, benefit me, benefit every one of us. Okay. Monica Gebo, you are welcome. Yeah. Moi, I give you my ami, you are one of my biome, my biome, you are. I don't know why I don't receive Kenirowa. Amiga Menoviwa. A fair bride, we are a fair bride. the ambassador of Weirdo Talk Show. Ikanka emino eke na miege batie ulame. Ulame ni na manatemu ulame. Emane buma the meaning of ulame. Ulame na guanka na undawe emino no we gbe pataki ke yegbe kan gbe ina we ni do guan ladian. Undawe, please ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to talk on English, but I want to say some little words on Edo language, but I would go on broken English. Voatie ulame vos na miege ariwo na na ya ju lame unda na fi where you are. And wogu jerio and dobe ekea owo o amanu bia ogu koma oke vai anobia ona yu bia we and that voice. Emeni ye do kwa kan denena do bia ni onyamo do bia ni imana ma yana do kwa kan unda we oni okao yaka gwa kan unda we ni oke kakabo da me wo yon unda we ni ya mie me no ya sunu na do guwa ya gwa nu wa da me yo bi unda we emi no bu no we gbe no isunu wo Italy oke kakabo ri da me ibi we ma ara gbina aya mweme fratalism you unda wa the history when that where from evolution inka no started this just to defend the student union government ereni to fight against the world the law of the VC if na we no can from to become na ya agbele ma wa oni na be ni awe gun kan be na. Now first of all I'm going to deliberate on the issue. Una good morning my people. This topic where I bring come so now how una see am. How una see this matter where I come to talk this morning so. Now matter where involve you, involve me. Because if you slap eye, nose go dey cry and ear go feel the pains too. We're gonna talk about this thing. Waiting the old if we talk right under ulame. Oh, take it. Why are we using women to go to the ancestors after you marry a woman? You can't carry as make you take or say make you not chook leg for outside. Because this thing now our women use take it tradition for you go. We don't say tradition, you know important. I will be Edwin. Oluwatoyin, you are welcome, my great professor. How una see this matter? We be say our sister. They can't forget say we get culture. They can't forget say we get tradition. And this na waiting very very important. We be say we all both women man na waiting we need to what put for our men. Say Oyibo get culture, get their tradition. You know when I first come about talking about bleeding culture. When I talk about this bleeding culture, months ago, 2 months ago, people don't know why I bring this bleeding culture. Come on. This bleeding culture will involve the Greek and other Europe countries come merge to know your part of your culture, your tradition, and know my we merge them together. And know what you want, you know what you want. So that make we not kick against our custom. Now me can come out as an ambassador of Weirdo Talk Show. Come and like, is it right for a woman go get belle for this Europe? Italy where we dey so. You get belle for man. You go to divorce the man. Make now see that matter. Now the man get belle or another person get belle or make the thing not reveal. Now you want career on the divorce. My brother, my sister, this matter now very kind. Because this matter where we bring come out so now I'm gonna get topic wey be say culture, tradition na very very important thing. Make we wey dey Europe make we no use mistake take dey throway our culture and tradition. Because na okay my brother DJ so abeg una write up na very very important on this issue. Because a woman get belle now you wan go divorce the matter come reach my table now. You wan go divorce the husband. Now the man get belle, I be not be the woman get, I be not be the man get the belle. How na see that this matter? Because we Nigeria, we should try to stand by our tradition, our culture. Number is there to call. So we should try. Anybody contribution is important. we should need to stood by our tradition and culture. We no need to say because we come, you go say we don't know where we come from. We be slave. We dey talk say the black American, a lot of them, because of China, they tell reach there. They migrate, go there. We dey say some don't know their origin. You will know your origin. You will know where you from come. Now you can't say you want to away your culture. You want to away your tradition because of what you say you do with Igbo land. Or Igbo land not say you throw away your culture. Or Igbo man not tell you not respect your elder. Or Igbo land not tell you say you get belle from man. Say now be the man get belle. Make you divorce. Or now be the man get the belle. Because this thing don't too much. Okay, person go do test the other that of 4 children, 3 children, 1 IBO. Thank you very much, my glory. You said you are forgiving me. Thank you very much. You said be the verse for me. Thank you very much, Gloria. Since you are forgiving, God bless you very much for forgiving me. So those of you where if you say maybe I wrong now where I come over where I not too going to deliberate on tradition, may I first of all apologize to all my fans out there. But I not verse for me where I deviate a little bit away from tradition for a while. Now because waiting can dey happen, I not supposed to put here for matter, but I suppose go on waiting make me come out for this program. Since you don't forgive me, thank you very much, Glory. I love you for telling me that you be the best, but today you are forgiving me, which is the best. That is the art of forgiveness, where I first talk about before. You know, say now this one. I will first forgive. As you don't forgive me now, I did my belly sweet. So money of now way be say I don't come up for tradition for making now forgive me. I remain loyal to everybody as culture and tradition demand. I work with our culture and tradition. Now take home. So this matter will take now. So they come bring can. They are waiting. This not be now my city. They happen. I know this not be Umben's story. Thank you, amen. Thank you very much. Glory for you. Thank you. Is it good? Good morning, John Morgan. Is it good? The belle, now the man get her, be not be the man get her. Now that one can't come out, can't tell una so. Make una help me constantly. You get belle from man. You dey carry the man go divorce. Nigeria. Who get the belle? Amen. Thank you very much, Glory. Thank you. So, I beg. May help me check this matter. Who get the belle? Now the man get the belle or now another person or the woman want quit divorce so that make you know say in divorce man before you give birth to this child, may give the belle to the owner. Or the man, another man will give am belle. Now he tell am say if you not do divorce, I will try to say come and make say na me get the belle now. I will make him get divorce to man before he reveal the owner of the pregnancy. Come on, how una see this matter? Wey happen so, wey just dey happen so, wey dey just dey court for so. Say they come cry meet me. Say as an ambassador you dey deal on culture and tradition. Make I talk on this issue. The people opinion go still make the man or people wey dey talk on this should know the next step to take. Thank you very much. So abeg, how una see this matter? Who get the belle? Now they ask so. Who can't get the belle? Now the man get belle or the woman want give the and another man get belle? Because this thing where they talk, you know, a lot of people attack me because they talk about me. They don't know why throw word that day, Women's Day, because of grievance. Our women don't push care for Nigeria body. We get tradition, we get culture. Make we try. We don't say you don't get tradition. You see your elder one say because you go say you go ignore her, you don't go greet her. No, you know they happen now. We dare you not miskin, we don't know what we they do. We come you not miss say we don't get respect to our elder one. I beg Nigerians, everybody, me can't tell you now. Let's try. Make we come together. Make we they do wetin supposed to do. Make we know they misbehave ourselves, they disgrace our country. Now we will say our president no good, this one no good. Make we first examine ourselves. Wetin we dey do, dey right? You know, see, when Jesus came to the stage, when they told the woman, wait, he said, prostitute, what he tell her, he said, you yourself, you know, say you never commit sin, make you stone her. Everybody put your hand down. This thing, where we they do so? Una fit look and say, you know, they eat fruit. If they eat fruit, make we try, deviate, change from this attitude. You know, if you get belle, go dey devise your husband. Abeg, now I come bring and come out for now. Number dey there. Una see say church is putting the number there. Please, everybody wey know say e dey watch this program, make una help me share am, and not only share, make una dey share, make people dey see am, and make una call, because your contribution na very important thing for this program. Abeg, now I tell una. You say wetin happen before the woman decide to do so? Thank you very much. That na very good question. Now you ask so. As the matter come reach my topic, say the woman, no, say when man woman they say get little misunderstanding, and the man they get misunderstanding. They tell the woman say, you know, your attitude, your character, your behavior, you know, they like the way you dey change this. You know, say man woman and normal, we must, as a married man, we dey get issue, because marriage home na always dey born for trouble. Marriage home, they say, oh, benin say what do mame, abo ezoji. Why I use that benin? Husband and wife are bound to quarrel. Wetin important, when they quarrel, they go make peace. This teeth and tongue, they call, you see sometimes the teeth go bite the tongue. If e bite the tongue, blood go come out. They go see play again. Now be husband and wife. Now make we dey talk say marriage is not meant for immature people. It's meant for mature men and women. Marriage, we dey see different issues they come out for marriage. Good morning, Gladys William. Thank you, Carol White. Marriage, dispute is bound to happen. Disagreement is bound to happen. But the ability to endure and make peace matters a lot. Marriage is we talk about, we say they are place of education. Not because education, you will be orientated on the issue of what matrimonial. There are a lot of people, they educated, but they don't get the orientation of that particular issue. That is why you see education and orientation is not two different things. You say you they educated, but this particular issue, you don't get the orientation of that issue. So my brothers and sisters, my loved one, my friends out there, I can't come out, can't talk on this issue. Where they happen, I wanna see them. Okay, somebody is calling for video. Let me pick contribution. I accept you, DJ Bobo. Video, please. This issue, I don't accept you. Where they happen, so I can't beg everybody, both male and female, Nigerians, make we try, come together. May we not dey put shame to our own, because these people don't they laugh us. We no go know. We not go see now. Let Nigeria, then they show what give. Enough joy, enough good. Make we come together. Make we see our character. We no good. Make we desist from it. You are welcome, my brother, Destiny DJ. Bobo Dawson, welcome to this great show.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Faye.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Hello?
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, bro, get way to ask you about
yes, ask.
This woman when this man he be pregnant, he go the
divorce
your husband for outside.
Yes.
I believe say maybe there is something that is going on. That is why before she do that, you understand?
Yes.
I believe say maybe before he meets that man, for my own view, please say he go get man for life before he meet him.
Yes.
You hear
you?
Yeah.
I'm hearing
so
you. People are.
Yeah. This one can bring maybe, there are some relationship when be say it don't first pass, when nothing end, when another person still go for inside, and maybe that person
yes.
go come involve, go come marry, And the other one,
Yes.
when we say the woman first day, we maybe never cut off finish. You understand?
Yes. I'm listening.
Hello?
They hear you. Let's say your network they cease there.
Do they hear me?
Yes, yes.
Maybe the network is bad.
Yeah,
the network is bad. I have to call you.
Yeah. Now, my brother, be they come out with a suggestion, be they talk on the issue, but something go take ground where lead to down. If you want to talk on the issue, but the of disease. So the guy brings sense there. So any other person where feel like one call number there, where talk on the woman where get belle, so where they carry the husband, they divorce Nigeria. I wanna see her because the matter. It's gonna be say, not being get belle. Murphy Face, those you are welcome. Good morning, Murphy Face. You are welcome to this great show. My brother, my friend, you are welcome to this great show. Thank you, Murphy Face. You are welcome, my brother. My co-worker, I greet you, my brother. So una hear wetin dey here say yes so. Now the woman get the belle or na another man give am belle. When this woman carry the wife dey divorce or na the man wrong, e get wetin the man do take wrong the woman wey the woman say why you divorce, because when you look the man side you look the woman side. I no know wait abi the man get wetin he commit or he get one secret thing wey this man do when the woman make am say he wan divorce, or two of them know wetin dey the ground. You understand? So this issue I never see am before for my life. Nigeria person as you get belle for man una get house together, now you dey sue for that way. And the man na dey hear say the man dey say in tell court say make e first born the pikin before dem do the divorce. He no go divorce until the pikin dey deliver the child first. Now this issue wey I come talk so abi something the man commit one thing against the woman, or not be the man get this pregnancy, or the pregnancy is not for the man. Thank you very much, Nico Udoji. Now me see think on my own. I be the pregnancy, not be the man get am. This woman want divorce, make the shame quick come up for belle so that time you know say no divorce. Or the person wey give am belle secretly I dey tell am go divorce. This na my pikin o. First divorce I go check come out. He go say I go do the divorce. So how una see this matter? Because I just dey try pick my own reason come out. So how una see am? So number dey there. Who wan call for video like call? Number dey there wey una go see fit take call. Your suggestion, your contribution na very very important thing, because in this issue of tradition and custom we get rule, we get wetin dey follow am. Make we no do away with our tradition and culture. Make young ones go give respect to elder. You understand? No, my brother, wetin really happen? But thank you, Ike Bobo. You say what I find out wetin happen. As you talk so, may I approve Gladys Williams? You accept Gladys Williams. You say what I now with the chat, but now we talk so they don't bring the thing come out. Wetin dey happen? Thank you. May I really hear from a caller, Gladys Williams? Please. Good morning. You are welcome.
Good morning, Oga Afeyi.
Good morning, my sister.
Good morning, everybody wey dey here.
Good morning.
Not before the court is to I wan contribute, not before the other one, but for this pregnancy matter.
Yes.
And this one I want to put.
Okay.
Oga Afeyi, you know say they say unu aze unu anwane. Tamame tamawe. Wagbeme igbo egbe na hin na be all this problem of a thing. Before woman, even if I thought say the man wey he marry is not responsible for the pregnancy, according to what you said, the pregnancy is grown 7-8 months almost to deliver.
Yes.
1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months with the man with pregnancy in the house. You cannot just get up and say maybe the man is not responsible for the pregnancy. You don't know, I don't know. Maybe not the man, or is the man that bring this issue to you now, certainly not the woman. You don't know what exactly goes wrong that will make a woman say with heavy pregnancy she want to divorce. Okay, then you talk about tradition. We should remember tradition. We should follow tradition. And this our so-called tradition does not also warrant us or give us the privilege to die in a place where we know is hurtful or is not good for us. My brother, Orama, Oma, Omanama, Emma, when it's good, it's good. When it's not good, it's not good. Don't even think of what you get from it or what you're going to get from it or how you're going to get from it. The best, this is why sometimes when they're talking about this home, how they call it, domestic violence, many people go see what it for the beginning. They go see the pain, they go say make I bear am, children go come for everywhere. By the time when you come say you want come out, people now just as we I dey see many comments. Some people say maybe not be the man get am, some people say maybe not the man get am. Like the other guy say maybe the woman was into a relationship that is not yet through almost. You cannot be in a relationship when you know you want to be. When you are out of relationship, you are out. If the opponent don't want to let go, that is in business or her business. For you, you know you are out. Then you have to stay focused and stand by with the next person you are being with. I believe for this woman to take this drastic reaction of going to divorce with a heavy pregnancy, there is something heavily fishing between these two people. That is why I write my comments there. Do you know what happened between the two partners? Because no reaction without retaliation. Something must happen. There must be something really. For me, I don't know. Not that I know these two people now. As everybody they talk, now still let's say me she talk. People they talk, now still let's say me she still talk her own. But for me, I believe say me why even no what waro no see no one here na mweko. But when I am mweko ma be where my home ever do before.
I know.
Now, there is no two ways about it. Say woman can't get belly for this one. You can't go they live with this one. For
Sorry,
this one, then it's not done. Even if the husband where there with now not be the man of the not be the owner of the belly. 1 month day, 2 months day, 3 months day, 4 months day, 5 months day. You reach to come out now. Not be now what you want to almost deliver. You go come now you want divorce. There is something big fishy between this man. And for me, I respect that woman. If she want to divorce with the pregnancy, because why? Maybe what is going on there, she don't want to give birth to let the child or the baby grow up to come and face the nyama or the boroboro that is coming up between she and her husband. Or maybe she take this action of divorce for the man to realize himself or to know what he say they do or what they do not good.
Not good. Yes.
Yeah. Now what I see you. Not be saying that the man will come say you can't say not be the man get belly. You know done. This kind one are to I don't know what I want to talk about, but I agree with this kind of way you take put out whether not the man get belly or not the man get belly. If the woman be not want divorce before, with this kind of comment, I should take put am. I ought to talk my own. If you don't want divorce before, I should take talk and ask whether not the man get belly or not be the man husband get belly. And you say they marry, na marry, you say they marry. Whether not the man get belly or not the man get. With this one, if she be not want divorce, she go divorce. Because nobody want hear her part. Nobody want know what happen. Nobody want her. You don't call the woman to ask the woman say, my sister, why you want divorce with this heavy pregnancy? When you know say you get belly for this man, you're almost due to deliver. What really happen? What make you go to this instance of big reaction?
I beg you they give point well now. I beg make them know who they talk so make them know who they talk
Now me, na still less the word queen. I'm a giant born, still less the flow.
Yes, so I still like that because happy birthday first of all to you.
My birthday on Friday. My birthday is on Friday. Maybe
happy birthday in advance.
Thank you. So that is what I'm trying to say. I wish, brother, I wish you call the woman in person to know what really is the problem. And have the woman no one come talk to you, or if she come talk to you, come say and say that she wrong. Most of when it comes to this marital marriage problem or domestic marriage things, me I'm not saying I say you want to even talk on media because now me wear my shoe, now me know whether they pay me, now me know where for they pay me. If you too tight, I go pull am. If you too oversized, I go use sauce stay tight am. Where stock is make it tight. But if you come beside where stock is see the I go know say the shoe is never my size. I go drop her for the next person will be size. That is how it goes. Woman not just get up. Me now. No, I can't get belle for mama marry me, wear me ring. I can't deal with her. Even though he not marry me, I know say na him fucking me, give me belle. I just sit down 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Na lie, oh. Na lie. Something happened. Something really happened. Try to know what happened between these two partners. If you go feel amend am for them. If you not go feel amend am, may everybody guy, guy, the dad for peace to reign. Maybe this woman, I think they are a little mistake. Me one boy can no make can like baby joy, baby. I will may God not let that one be our portion in Jesus' name.
Amen.
So something happened, and that is why that what me talk now. What I see now be that. It's not that the man is not responsible for the pregnancy. There is no way you will keep another man pregnancy with a man for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. If that can't happen, if that woman want to deliver, if any woman that have that kind of heart, I don't even know if she's wishing for safe delivery or how she want to born the pikin, because that is what they call atrocity, abomination. Yes. So the man is the owner of the pregnancy, but something happened that made the woman said, no, I want to divorce. And I respect her for that. He did not send the man to prison. He did not kill the man. They did not fight to break their head. She just take a mature and a normal decision as a good woman. That's what I talk and wish. Una have a nice day.
Thank you very much. World Queen, stay less. Thank you very much. When I say the World Queen don't contribute a very good talk issue where come up and this thing where you talk. Because that one issue where I see where she talk, something you call through direct video. He can't talk, this what we can't talk something and now see what he bring come out. That is something happen and that first of all I first thank the woman for that one, but not put the see some point where he bring come out. Now this woman not put the man for prison. You know why not put him out for prison? No. Now you can't say now he no want put the man for prison, not one. Maybe something there where they fish, where people they ask whether ask where we don't know. Now maybe and the woman maybe at least say if he there so he will deliver safely. That one on that point too. Is it better to go away, go give birth? He want to do this divorce, make him get peace. Maybe something there we don't know now whether the man they lynch am for us. They beat her every day with pregnancy because it's not good. The woman they want maybe it's look and see all the point where bring come and corner. He look and say, I beat this thing. He begin they beat man and this thing come result on that thing. And they say well for person to die it's better for you to die. It's better you go away to get peace. Come bring that one. Now I can't see bring a good advice to me myself. If now to waiting I fit talk because say na matrimony not be waiting we suppose carry come media. Now waiting I fit do my inquiry try if the peace not dey then now to that guy will share Gary make the peace reign for them to turn they bring this issue and which the kings just dey court as I dey talk so. And the man can't talk in you now say you know the first thing they born. So World Queen Stainless, thank you very much and happy birthday in advance. So that's the World Stainless don't contribute well. My person where they tell us now, if you want call, you go call through. You call through video, you call through the number. So I appreciate very well. Wait till she talk. You don't talk the two side, and your own contribution she important because she don't really deliberate on this issue now, which me myself and I truth and I not ask the woman yet, but the issue they court. But I can't so okay. Say me I break and come here hear people opinion, people advice. Then, but now I will go on with my own work. My own self try to put me. You say your own self try to put you in jail. It took 2 years for Jama police to investigate my case. If you want to call Samsi, I said you can call through the video. That because World Queen Stainless don't talk now. I talking you. World Queen can't give advice. You say your own one put you for prison. Now you say if you want talk and if you want call, you call through video. You invite, you send. I'll pick you. As you see, the World Queen gave you. It was lovely and everybody enjoyed the advice. And DJ Destiny Feko, Network A. So Samsi, you say Now man they talk about being a woman. You say your own try to put you for prison, for jail. Your wife try to put you for 3 after they investigate for the case before they come find you not guilty. So this issue of this woman wey be say e get belle, I want deliver so we can't carry the husband go court. Now we don't see reason wey Word Queen don bring come out. E don talk contribution wey be say na very good thing. And I go do as you talk Word Queen, and I go try do am. If e no wetin fit talk then go who dey insult person bring opinion, who dey insult see am. Abeg anybody wey dey dis line wey wan insult see am, abeg o, person bring your opinion, suggestion. No insult anybody for this platform. Anybody try insult, block immediately. We are dealing on tradition and culture. We don't want issue. We don't want people come this place, come talk nonsense. That is why I felt we need to respect each other. Respect is reciprocal. You give me respect, I give respect. Person no go bring God's time Felicia, please. God's time Felicia, I know swear to you, please don't throw insult on person wey don't give your opinion, suggestion. For you to throw insults, you suggestion, bring your opinion, come out and talk. Please, I don't want anything insult on this platform. We come here, come talk, waiting, go better for we Nigeria. Now we dey talk, not be here insult, please. So I don't need it. I don't need it. Not try insulting word to her before. Right and say I'm sorry and apology is demanded. Please. I don't need that kind of thing. Because this is their time to play. When we dey talk serious issue, when we dey talk about violence, domestic violence and issue where they arise, these are things we need to iron. Make we get joy for this Africa where we come from. We Nigerians, can we dey Europe? It's not good. Make we come misbehave. Make we come constitute nuisance. Come be say we know where we come from. We get culture, we get tradition. Let's join together to work together for one goal. You know, mistake you carry first, I'll carry first. If we write exam, okay, you don't have a good network, no problem. If you everybody write exam, it not me say you go carry first. Everybody no. Exam, everybody get your idea, but you pass first, a second, third, because now your control, the way you write your go make you qualify, you win. Now they see first class and class. You know me say everybody they rate people. I beg your contribution and your opinion very, very needed. God's time, please stop that. This part of don't insult anybody. Okay, say everywhere good, no problem. Felicia can say no problem. Gladys will say no problem. So so make we come for peace. Because waiting with the talk now, all this issue of the woman, where be say una don hear. Make everybody, make we try, kick against. And my advice as what we don't give this advice, and maybe the woman, the man, they wash now. I beg, if na the number to call. Yes, now call me with that number. Yes, call me with that number if you want call direct. Yes, call with the number. Yes, if they call from Italy, yes, that if you want outside, you put +39. Yeah, that is the number 35. Yeah. Now the number. So on this issue, what can give you advice now? And me myself, why you use that when you sit and let the man, the woman, we say here. But then watch her beg. As he talk, no matter the situation, make this issue common for Germany. You said the issue common for Germany. I don't know say it happen for Germany now, and now wait till they happen for here. Italy now me bring come as soon. I don't know say come on too for Germany now. Because in which they court get belle. So now make that issue. If the man they beat you, now make we talk say we don't know what the man do. Maybe get one packet where they do the woman. Because now very, very strong thing. What should I stop that thing just now? Before woman go carry belle, he say he want go divorce. The matter strong. pikin that way. They say now who you get belle for. Now you dey carry belle meat. Now you want to go do divorce. So the matter, this topic, na very strong matter. We be say we go try, make we bring peace, make the thing no dey happen again. And if women wey all dey on punching women, we go stop am too. Because women, they say one thing wey dem dey do, dem dey dey patient on the monitor man because of your attitude, wetin you dey do to them. When you come see say this thing don too much, the woman come see make the man say, ah, this man go kill me o. If I no comot for this marriage, him go die. Na make some woman say, iye ti yawu yo word up. He no fit die because the pain don too much. Him dey try make dem make the man no see change. Maybe the man see dey lynch am. You know say a lot of us dey good in beating women, which we go see stop. Some of all these things dey cause. Okay, caller, thank you very much. My brother, talk.
Hello?
I'm here. You are welcome. Thank you, my big brother.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This your program really talk so it makes sense in a way.
Yeah.
But it is very good as still especially talk say more ask the question where more know between the two sides.
Yes.
Because for my side when I did here, so it get three girls that they get problem with their own problem, with their own boyfriend. This one are boyfriend, they get problem with their own boyfriend. Their boyfriend they always suspect they say the shit, but the boys they go out of hand. You'll see some who they go to wait there for train station, they fight them, they beat them. You see some who they try to get naked picture with they sleep for his house, they say I give friend, they form say if the girl sleep there and I don't do.
No, talk loud. I know yes. You said they come the naked, the girl say sleep with you.
Nah, if I repeat myself again. I say this issue they talk so it still gets more way they happen for my town now.
For your town, yes.
For my city.
Yes.
Now three different relationships with the three girls are very close to me, they are around me. So I know. But all the boys they behave like this. They behave like say all of them are brothers, which they not be brothers.
Yes.
But I basically say the way I say they behave, because like say the three boys they be brothers because I want attitude all of them they possess.
Yeah.
The attitude they possess I be say one, they police the girls, they call the girl, even though all these boys they work so, but they are working on the kind they made it busy. They call the boys girls 24 hours. They fight with the girls. They suspect the girls. So the girls they shit. They make trouble with the girls. They cause everybody there around the girls. If the girl is there with boy, they just they talk and they call the air boy for the background. They start to talk. The men they talk anyhow. So all these girls now, they are problem. Like they say they don't want to again. They don't want friend again. So because they know they live like that. They prison. So if that boy now can go meet person like you now tomorrow now can go they complain say that so you get for after everything you don't do for her, which they see they try. We are not dispute the fact that the boys also they spend for the girls. But if you don't know for the girls, then you think the girls decrease. Because on the other hand, those boys they really torment those girls. But on the other hand, the permit tell you the trick for this life. So over the time you know say only one person when they come. All those girls out of all of them when they suspect so say that they shit. Their boyfriend they disturb them, they beat them, they suspect they say they shit. Then they actually they shit.
Yes.
But now, if the girls won't talk, now they talk say that they actually they shit too. They will talk say the boys they say what the boys also they do there. The boys they carry their naked picture art. The boys they don't. But the real problem I be say the two get problem. One, those boys not mature enough to handle their girlfriend.
Yes.
Those girls is not actually faithful.
Yeah.
But now again.
Yes. Your network is seized.
You hear me?
I hear you go. Yes. Hello, your network is seized. Call back. Person where I want carry go office, don't see call me and wait for me for there. So the caller call just now. If they talk this same issue, they happen for their city now. Hello. So you wait for me there. Me, I'm gonna go to the office. I don't come. You just wait for near Chase Station. Later, I round up my program. Meet you there now. Okay. Wait for me for train station. I'll come pick you there. Okay. Okay. So the caller is calling again. Let me pick your call. Hello. 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 My brother talk. We dey hear you now.
Okay. So as I was saying, I told those three girls now when the boyfriend they misbehave.
Yes.
Though the boyfriends that they misbehave really will not fit dispute her because they get this with those boys they do. You go meet them and go to her. I don't know if you go meet them but when they stay like this. When you know say they get some of the girls who says they see the project. You go to true blue. When you know say the girl never have girls, so go to beat the girl dry hands. They're going to use cannabis before follow you.
Okay, the boy go to beat the girl, they beat her. Yeah.
Because yes,
okay.
This talk when I talk, so I talk for the both side. I know the
for the both side, yes.
You understand? The boys now, may I talk the boys so that mean you understand.
Yes.
The boys they accuse the girls that they shit on them.
Yeah.
But the boys will overdo one because the girls not be the way they say they think and so the girls say they do one.
Yeah.
Because the boys now don't want me they talk to any boys at all.
Yes.
They don't like me they associate at all.
Yes.
Person come Europe, you won't put up for his house, you won't cage her.
Yeah.
You imagine one go do like this. If you and the girl get problem, you can't get document. You say you want tear her. Now if the Italian government, then give the girl document.
If the boy go collect the girl document, woman document say one tear her. Now if the police will give her.
This story I tell you so that between three different relationships, now they tell you so.
Three different relationships, okay.
Like this, so three different boys and they behave like this. So one of them.
Yeah, they your town there.
If the girlfriend get problem with her. He go carry the girlfriend phone when he buy for the girl and everything. He go seize both the document journal. Ask me whether I be Italy government. Small time he call the girl say he want to leave the city when he did, so he won't come beat the girl, kill the girl, make him kill the girl, say because he will kill the girl. You really come, you really beat the girl. The girl I don't.
Those are the girl I can't swear. Those are the things we talk about violence. Where be saying they take place for this Italy. So what do they talk so?
That one never reach. All of them, and one character when all of them they do that way they irritate us. All of them go carry the girls naked picture. They send and keep the girls friends. Say me they want their friend. Say their friend live there. They'll carry this naked picture, show and share out to the whole world.
Now so those boys they do and so.
I did tell you.
For which state? Which state now for Italy? Which state for Italy?
You know they understand that, but this one are three different relationships. Three different relationships. These three people they don't know each other. But the boys they behave like alike. They do alike.
So thank you very much. I hear you.
No, I don't talk about the boys so now. But another thing now about the girls, let me see notice for the girls own be this.
I dey hear.
Understand me?
I dey understand you. I dey hear you.
One thing I see understand about the girls own be this. Actually, the three of them not see they faithful. Because one the friend the Nigeria boy, one see the friend another one.
Yeah.
The other one the friend another one. The other one the friend another one.
Good morning,
but now the boyfriend they don't behave maturely. They don't overtake the team too much. The girls they talk now they don't need relationship against the boys they torment them. It they beat them. But if you ask me Nana, if everybody hear this story Nana, the men they will hate. But the bottom truth for inside still who will see talk. Our girls not see good for under leg because those girls out of all those things these boys they talk so one truth for inside say oh no they faithful for inside. You not get the one they faithful and say the boyfriend does they panic for no reason. The girls not see they faithful. So you see this problem if you want to settle man and woman problem presently for this world now. If that woman bad, the man bad. The new treated law says that to every given action there's an equal and opposite reaction. So if you will find the equal and opposite reaction and the giving action in the first place, then you will know where the problem for the come. That's my opinion.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, caller. That your state where you dey for Italy so for our corner where be say then they do this issue so those boys they need advice and those girls need advice. Those boys one talk on that issue you talk. Those boys so now this kind of way that they do so now this kind of go get problem they don't marry. Now this kind of boys their wife go say they want see go under the boy go get belle because they'll continue with this attitude they don't stop and they mess the woman they beat her in here. How can they okay even though you sleep woman not make you go to spoil the picture they say you want publish or whatever. These are things which is wrong and the women wey be say they see they sleep around make them stop and make them see stop am make them stop and make peace dey for relationship because na make a broken relationship is better than what a broken marriage. So now they don't go into art with each other. They don't see the kind of boy where the guy be, and the boy don't know the kind of girl where they be. So those kind of relationship, they don't say and say no go forward. It's better because they talk about what talk about marriage issue now. Make those boys my advice to them, they should stop that thing. To go to beat woman, they seize his phone. Say don't deport him. Now don't be police will give them document. If that kind of guest go to Nisha then now, report it to police. Don't say guest bad, which is strong. Don't put law into your hand for those ones. So those guys, my brother.
So I try to tell you so. So you see the way the two people the fourth day the boyfriend and the fourth day the guest hand.
Yes, now the fourth day the two sides.
The fourth come pick for their hand. You understand?
So the studio number is there. My secretary, please put my number there. Thank you very much, caller. Thank you very much for contribution. Thank you very much. Put my number there. So everybody, when I hear this, you know, you see some situations I talk on this issue. When they say talk about the issue of that woman and the man, say, and this kind of beating, it dey lead to we go see marry. That's not nuisance where people they do. These are domestic violence. We dey talk about all this issue. Talk about this issue when we don't deliberate on this issue. And this issue that we go see talk about this comfortability where be say now this kind of boy you see and say now when they beat one be say they put cut for head now make they beat. Guess they go to seize the document. They say you seize the document, seize the permission the sojourner. If you can't get problem, you say woman put you for prison. These are kind of things. We don't say women get their own role where they sit and do bad against those boys. Woman shit. You see, say woman they shit around, they sleep around. My dear, beg everybody, you leave the woman. You understand? It's better you leave the woman. Relationship. Now, waiting you they build. No relationship they sweet. My own marriage, sometimes they get issue. So marriage not be waiting, but waiting matter as a man. Use your hand, hold your own thing. No marriage sweet. Then, you understand? Use your hand, hold your thing. No marriage is sweet. So please, that woman and the man, please, I just beg una resolve the issue of that divorce going to court. May we try and make peace there. And this issue, so where will they talk about? I come and come talk on because I don't come get time to deliberate on her, which I go postpone career and go for the game on Saturday. Deliberate more on this. I never talk about the conference inside. Where it's a many where they happen for Italy, where people they misbehave. You put a court for head, then they fight. Like those boys now, where they do this one for Ancona. So if you go in detail, thank you very much, caller. Please, you are welcome. I don't pick you. You still come out again. I've just stepped you. So please, a lot of people, none of us, they're perfect. We all, they learn. Your opinion is highly important, needed in this issue. In this case, when person get belle, so person get belle, then they go for that voice. So many things they either the man wrong, get what you do, either the woman, you get what you do. Thank you. Said you are against domestic violence, Pierre Muller. If you are in abusing relationship or marriage, run for your life before you get killed. So may I see read something? So me say, why is she Prince Omo Alele? Why is she asking for separation during her pregnancy? Something's fishing that make the woman to ask for separation. The issue of leaving each other, nothing doing with the pregnancy. Something what you said something need to do what we go down to see the message view. Then we see there I didn't finish it there. So a lot of people I just want to go through a lot of people message now. So please, Prince Omomili said P. Muller, most men are in the problem we are having in the society. Pierre Muller, yeah, that is true. You said most men are the problem women are having in the society. That's your hope. You see said it. Some men will sit and say the two sides now, men get problem. Pierre Muller. Men get problem, women get problem. The two sides, that is why I can't come out with this culture and tradition. Make we try come up for domestic violence. May we stop fighting for street. And our sisters, where they fight the naked for train station, make una stop am. It's no good. Wait till you feel your papa, your mama, your family go to look up for Nigeria. How you say make you feel for this kind of art where you they do? You can't get children tomorrow. Your pikin yes just to go. No say enter me that I must live to see am. Make we try. None of us dey perfect. When ori megbe, eyo be ru egbe. As e dey my body, na say e dey your body. We all dey learn. You see, and things dey for talk when we on that pregnancy of the woman. But when World Queen Stainless come talk something, the thing whether I don't carry her invest, no say I not come fit talk more about am again. Me, I can't keep my mouth shut because why? He say maybe the man tell me other person, but you first you go do your own work. Now I can say all of us need to learn. No say, but I can't keep my because why? That na advice. You first of all do more homework and let the peace before you talk. So that it, when you talk, I take am from my brain. Now I can talk say no see sense there. What Queen, I thank you very much for that advice and what you talk there. So my brothers and sisters, this issue where we dey talk about so now make our men dey behave well and make our women dey behave well. And that guy talk say this thing wey we talk about God say women dey do am well for Germany and women still carry him go court message jumper for now if come go if not be say God come help am abeg and my sister make we try. I thank God say the woman wey even dey go for divorce now. He not put him out for prison. He also say he want go for divorce. But a lot of women dey with odd body, he go do bad, he go do what he want after that do. I come dey go, he no know for not doing. A lot of women making things there when they do it make God collect their pikin. You push your husband away. You push and don't claim your pikin. And then you come dey say, "My husband come join, go dey drag the pikin come up from court," which is too late. Make we all come together. Yes, because you will be surprised the good things a woman will do for you. Only if men treat women right. Yeah, fine. If you are treating a woman right, woman fit cut the head give you. No, women like they are like air. They need to be pampered. Women are like air. They need to be pampered. And when you pamper them, it be like say you pamper them. If you see say they go wrong, you see advice change them from the way. Good morning, Francesca J. Moses. Efionyi, good morning. Please, let us come together. Let's be say this social media work. We dey see changes for the environment. Where be say many things where through this thing don't dey happen. We dey talk about cutting, they stop and killing, stopping. You also see some people for inside some nuisance. See they talk about the killing. See they shoot. Which I wanted to show where they see 2 years they shooting again. These are things Nigerians, I beg you now. May we work with tradition and culture. Because when tradition, culture, you see the fear. It's like the Old Testament. When Ananias and Sapphira lie, you know, because they follow what that the culture. If Sapphira follow us, like die with them, because he lie for the altar. That's how it be with tradition. Tradition are very important way go change you. If tradition not important, why una go say make woman pay bride price? Women wey no value tradition, una take am, and men wey no talk say tradition not dey. Tradition very very important. Culture e dey. We dey use our hand. They do things where they affect us. If we all come together, realize, say this wetin I dey do e no good. This wetin we dey do no good. You will see we will get better life. Please, let's come together as one and let's make a better life. We can change it. I can change if we come together. We go away with violence. We go away with criticism. These are the things we will do away with. Now, this social media, we see a lot of changes they happen. It they happen. Many things they happen. I beg. I don't want to talk about that because me I go do my own work according to what you tell me. Yeah, which is very right. So if I wait till you to deliberate on here. So please those people were 22nd partner where they involve all those fighting everywhere. Italy, they should stop it. Enough is enough. Your purpose of coming here to become great in life, make you come achieve what your papa, your mama send you. Come make money. Not be here, you come again, come see a fight. They misbehave. They constitute nuisance. They got awareness. People know say where you come from. You dey disgrace your family. You don't know. We know how we more ojiwe no motion. Thank you, my FSA beauty love. Thank you very much. So we should all deviate from that. It's very, very bad. We should deviate from it. Time don't reach. Make we go change. Time don't reach. Now I want cut our quick moment because time don't reach. Because this person I want pick. Look I said this program and 1 hour aside I come. Do I put person where they carry go office this morning? Now be this social media see the helper. I'll dead there now. I'll dead there now. So I don't call a room for us. So you go there. So yeah. So wait me now. A few minutes I there with you. Between 15 minutes I did there. Okay. Ciao. So my dear, you see so this first way they copy, I want to take and go office. See go do it help for this so make I follow and go do what I want supposed to do. My brothers, my sister, this issue where we talk where na good thing. May we kick against wars, violence. Let's come together as one Nigeria. Let's come together. Let's be say divided we fall. Unity we stand. I love you. I remain your humble servant, the great ambassador of Uyedo Talk Show. FA, known as FA Brad, that is my name. So please, make I not put this place where I carry go appointment where I want to go up at the appointment day 10:30 now. Please let me go and do this work. So make I do this work. Make all of you now join me on Saturday. I love you all. And a happy birthday in advance, the World Queen Stainless on Friday. So we are going to wish you a happy birthday, long life and prosperity in advance. Love you very much. And I love everybody here today. So I thank you, everybody. So please stick to me Saturday. I'll be there. Why I come out this morning like this? Because of the issue. So you see, so I'll go back in the afternoon. I go back to work, resume work the afternoon. Love you all. I beg. Make Nigeria, Italy, Mona stop fight. May we come together. The problem we have in the society now, and the day is the men. Okay, pretty or more of you say now the men. If men faithful to their women, I don't see any reason why women could misbehave. Please, sir, talk to the jobless men who are dating different girls. I'm not like that. So thank you. I will talk on the jobless men. It's a very good thank you. So thank you very much. Thank everybody. I thank World Queen Stainless. I thank Murphy Face. All of my way contribute for this topic. Thank you. I greet you, my great man, Elvis, more able to your work. Thank you very much. I will thank you if you see you are doing a good job. May God really strengthen you, Elvis. God really strengthen, give you the zeal to carry on. So you will achieve all your purpose, all your goal, because we see all the good work. We thank you very much for the new movie which we have shared. So we are doing it so that let's promote our people, and we love you all. We thank Nigeria Watch for their work they are doing. So we thank everybody. So I'm leaving out now. Hook up to me Saturday. Because later, let me do what I want to do, so I go work later. So love you all. God bless you. See you weekend. Love you. I remain your oboe son, the ambassador of Benin Culture, F.A. Ibrahim. Love you. God bless you. I and my team is proud of you. Thank you very much, Elvis Oni Edigin. I'm proud of you. You are doing the good job. So we thank you very much. Thank you, put your more audience. So stick to me on Saturday. We deliberate on that your issue more. Love you. Ciao, ciao. Bye.